Welcome to this guided breathing meditation for stress release. You may want to find yourself a nice comfy chair. Sit down. Plant your feet firmly on the floor, both of them, and lay your hands relaxed on your lap. Straighten your back and feel the back of the chair supporting your back. Relax your chin and shoulders. Now close your eyes. Let your thoughts flow freely. Become aware of your breath. What do you feel? How do you feel? Again, let your thoughts flow freely. Don't overthink it. Just feel what emotion is coming to the surface. Which places in your body are asking for attention at this moment? Just continue breathing quietly while you breathe towards those places that ask for attention. Gently and with love. Become aware of every part of your body. Feel how your body touches the chair. Feel how your clothes touch your skin. Feel how your feet touch the earth. Become aware of your breath. Inhale through your nose and feel how the air enters your body, through your throat, into your lungs and belly. Breathe deep, deep as you can. Now slowly breathe out through your mouth, following the breath as it leaves your body. Breathe in your own pace that feels good for you. Whatever emotion or thought comes to you, accept it. It can be there. Just let it go when you breathe out. Don't pay attention to it. Just let it go when you exhale. Slowly keep breathing in through your nose. Hold and breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathe in a pace that feels good to you. Not too fast, not too slow. Try to focus only on the breathing. All other thoughts or emotions are allowed to be, and leave again with your exhale. When you feel your mind wandering off to an emotion or thought, slowly bring it back to your breath. Do not judge yourself. It is okay. Your feelings are okay. You are okay. Focus again on your breath. Now put one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Feel how your belly expands when you inhale. Feel how your chest remains calm and almost unmoved by the breathing. Breathe towards your belly. Become aware of your hand on your belly and on your chest. Now connect your heart with your belly. Feel how the love in your heart through your breathing flows to your belly. Feel how the warmth of your heart love flows into your belly. Feel how this love pushes aside any stress or anxiety that is in your body. With every inhale, you breathe in love. With every exhale, you breathe out stress. Breathe in love. Breathe out stress. Feel how your body warms up with the love. Now feel where in your body there is tension. Feel your head and your face. Does it feel relaxed? Breathe in love. Breathe out any tension from your head and face. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Feel your neck. Does it feel relaxed? Breathe in love. Breathe out any tension from your neck. Breathe in love. Breathe out stress. Feel your shoulders. Do they feel relaxed? Breathe in love. Breathe out any tension from your shoulders. Breathe in love. Breathe out stress. Feel your arms and your hands. Do they feel relaxed? Breathe in love. Breathe out any tension from your arms and hands. Breathe in love. Breathe out stress. Feel your back and spine. Do they feel relaxed? Breathe in love. Breathe out any tension from your back and spine. Breathe in love. Breathe out stress. Now feel your belly, your lower back and your hips. Do they feel relaxed? Breathe in love. Breathe out any tension from your belly, lower back and hips. breathe out stress. Feel your legs. Do they feel relaxed? Breathe in love. Breathe out any tension from your legs. Breathe in love. Breathe out stress. Feel your feet. Do they feel relaxed? Breathe in love. Breathe out any tension from your feet. Breathe in love. Breathe out stress. Now, take a deep, deep breath. Fill your belly as much as you can. Fill your lungs as much as you can. Hold it for a short moment and then let it all go. Exhale with a deep sigh out of your mouth. Just let it go. How do you feel now? Slowly keep breathing, letting your thoughts go. Do you feel at ease, warm and loved? Slowly open your eyes while holding on to this feeling. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Move your arms and legs a bit and roll your shoulders and your head. Take your time. Very slowly stand up. Put your feet a bit apart, but firmly on the ground. And stretch yourself out as much as you can. Your arms and hands are touching the sky. Take one last deep, deep breath. And when you breathe out, let your arms fall and shake off the last pieces of stress and anxiety. You can let go. It is okay. Whatever you are going to do today, hold on to this feeling. If you enjoyed this meditation, please share it with people who will benefit from it. Thank you for listening.